What's up, YouTube and my Facebook friends? This is Matt English here to get a multimedia briefing on the severe potential today. We've got a large severe potential going on across the Midwest region. It's going to affect a large area of the Midwest. Anywhere within this green area is where the severe weather can be expected today. We have a moderate risk that's been issued for hail, actually. That's actually an unusual moderate risk. Usually moderate risks are issued for damaging winds or tornadoes, but for hail, we have a moderate risk for hail in east central Kansas and northwestern Missouri. We have a large slight risk going all the way from eastern Oklahoma all the way over to southwestern Michigan, and it circles back around. So we're going to go over some of the hazards that are expected today. The tornado threat is very particularly high across Missouri and Illinois. Missouri and Illinois, the tornado threat is very, very high. And I am actually in Illinois. So the tornado threat's particularly high. It's not like a moderate risk or anything, but even just an upper end slight risk can be pretty dangerous. Again, this is where the hail threat becomes really significant. There's a great potential for hail larger than 2 inches of diameter in this area right here. The hail size could potentially be up to baseballs in this area, with the hail threat decreasing as you go northeast, with only a slight risk elsewhere. The damaging wind threat is particularly high across a narrow band. This is probably where a squall line might set up, from southeastern Kansas through central Missouri and central Illinois. This is where the wind threat will be very high. Don't be fooled that just a slight risk means that there's only a slight risk of severe storms. There is a really great potential in any of this area, and a potentially serious outbreak could be underway, even though it's only a slight risk. But tornado outbreaks often happen in slight risks. They can. So it's not like a high risk of tornadoes. It's only slight, but still. The tornado threat is a 10% probability within 25 miles of a point. So that's like a 10 over 25 there. That's pretty decent threat right there. The tornado threat's very high, so stay tuned for updates in case the weather gets really threatening. I will be online periodically all day for the latest updates. Stay tuned.